Hi, good day. Today, I will be presenting you the multiple vendor purchase for the same item and pick up the lot number for the same item from two different vendors. So let's set up the purchase item. So we go to the item. In this example, we will pick up a semi-finished item or the raw material item, which will be further consumed into the production order. So we have a finished good item for diamond case. The product is a finished good item which we are using from the production order to use. So we have the bill of material and routing journal on this one. So we go and pick up the form for this particular item and let's take a look. So with this product, we have item called baking powder. We will pick up this baking powder for the purchasing process where we will be using two different vendors sending or receiving the same item from two different outputs. So let's start the purchase cycle. So we go to the purchase order. We create a new purchase order. Pick up the vendor ID. So in our case, the first example, we will go for the Apex Coco Industries. I will quickly fill in the data. And I will go to the item. And item will pick up the baking powder. And we purchase for the location code main, which is my main warehouse location ID in the system. And quantity, we purchase, let's say, 10 kg. So since this item is lot number tracking, so what we need to do, we will first release this purchase order and then we will enter the receiving quantity, which is equal to my purchase quantity 10. And I go to the line and I will enter the item tracking lines. In the item tracking lines, we have two options. Either we create a lot number as a custom lot number, or we can create an auto-generated lot number. Let's say auto-generated lot number with the quantity 10, and the expiration of this lot number is, let's say, 31st of October. Close this one, and I will post this. Receive an invoice. So let's take a look the invoice which we have received and posted for this item. And if we go to the line items here, line and the tracking entries, we can see here lot number LOT 0187 has a quantity 10 with the expiration date of 21st of October. Let's create another purchase order for the same item from a different vendor. This time I will pick up the SAM General Trading. And in order Location for same main warehouse where we will receive this quantity. And here I will pick up the quantity, let's say 15. Okay. The same process we will do. We will release this. Then we will go and see the receiving quantity. We have 15 as a quantity to receive. Then we go to the lines and we go to the item tracking lines. And then we will create the lot number here again. Says assign lot number. 15 quantity and expiration date will be my, let's say, optimize number 15, let's say. And if we close, we go and post. We will post. Well, let's see what we have in the posting. So we go to the lines, go to item tracking, and here we have LOT 0188. So now we will go to the inventory to see this item. Go to the inventory item, pick up the baking powder. We go to the quantity on hand. Then we can see here 10 quantity and 15 quantity against lot number 0187 and 0188 we have in the stock in the main warehouse, which we have just posted. Now let's use the production order to consume those two lot numbers and let's see how system does those. Okay? So what I will do, we'll go to the production. I will create a new production order. And pick up here item and cookies. And I will do what I will say the quantity what I need to book is, let's say, because it was 0.2 consumption, so let's just pick up the quantity, let's say 500 quantity for example, and when cookies, and I will go to the order process and refresh order. It will calculate and get me the finished good item which I need to process. And here I will go to the lines. I will see the component. The component shows me that the baking powder which I need to consume here, we need the 10 kg as an expected quantity which we will consume based on 0.02 as a consumption for 500 quantity. So what I will do, I will go to the component and then components, and then I will go to the visual line. I am cutting down some of the process, but I just trying to explain how system can pick up two different lot numbers from two different vendors for the same item in the one single transaction. So I will go to the line, let's say item tracking lines. And here, system will allow me to pick up more than one line. So what I will do, go to the lot number, process, and select entries. So here if you see, we have multiple lot numbers available for the same warehouse, which is my, I will go and check the warehouse now. The warehouse what I need is, guess you are going to the entries and you can see here, we have LOT 0187 where the quantity was 10 and we have lot number 0188 with the quantity 15. what I will do, system has automatically selected the auto numbers based on the previous history. So what I will do, I will pick up from here, and let's say we need 10, so I'll pick up 5 here and then 5. So now what system will do? System will consume and allocate the quantity of 5 kg from the lot number 0187 and the from lot number 0188 individually. Okay, I will click OK. And system has picked up from two different lot numbers. Based on the expiration date, we have the 31st October and 15th November. And system will post those channels with this production channel. So this is the way system or manually or automated way that system can pick up more than one lot number from two different vendors for the same item in the same journal. So I'll go if we go to the printout. Let's print view. So here you can see the quantity which we have picked up for the baking powder. System will show us the baking list for this production journal which we are going to post as a consumption for this production order. This is it for now for the purchase order, receiving and consumption or allocation of two different lot numbers at the same time from two different vendors in one single transaction. Thank you.